What up? What up? How y'all doing this beautiful morning? This is the day that the Lord has made. This is the day that the Lord has made. How many of you all know that God truly has a plan and a purpose to bless you? God truly has a plan to bless your life, right? Well, it goes beyond just simply sowing seed into the offering and expecting God to like a slot machine, you pull a lever, you sow into a church, and all of a sudden the gates of heaven are supposed to open up to you. It's a little bit more involved than that. It's a little bit more to it, right? As my former pastor would say, is God is not dropping Mercedes-Benz out the sky, right? Because if he was, you wouldn't be able to drive it anyway. Something to think about, right? Well, the thing about it is, there is a plan, there's a purpose for your life. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to play this little insert that, from a television interview I did right before Corona hit. So, check it out and, let me know what you think. It entails what I call the 5 P's. 5 P's of how to go by acquiring the prosperity that God intended for you to have. Check it out, and I'll be back with you.
Above all we can ask or think.
That's right. That's right.
So if I'm asking for something, I'm asking too small.
Oh, that's so good. That's so good.
Whenever you ask God for something, it's beneath.
Yeah, come on now.
Whenever you ask God for anything, it's beneath what he has for you. Because he said, because you can't even think of the thing I have in store for you. So therefore, how do we get that thing that's greater than we can ask?
Yeah.
Love.
Yes.
Because he said, if you go after my love,
yes,
and you allow me to bless you abundantly above all you can ask or think,
yes,
that'll blow your mind.
Come on now.
And then on top of that, you won't leave me.
That's right.
You won't spoil on me because he know your heart.
That's right.
He has your heart in the palm of his hand.
That's right.
So that's as far as that wealth transformation and all that.
Yes.
If you get the love of God.
Yes.
I talk about the 5 P's.
Yes, tell me.
The 5 P's.
Yes.
After you've got the love of God and sought God, he gives you 5 P's. The first is the promise.
All right.
God makes a promise. He introduces himself with a promise.
Yes.
He said, hello, I am the Lord thy God.
Yes.
If you serve me, I'll do this and this. That's that promise that he offers you.
That's right.
How are we on time?
You're doing good. Take your time.
If you serve me, this is what the promise I'll give you, right? And it comes with your purpose.
Okay.
In that promise. Because that he said, if you serve me, so that if you do this part, that's your purpose. The part he's asking you to do.
Oh, man.
Then with the purpose comes a plan to fulfill that purpose.
Come on now.
So once he made the promise, he created your purpose, he told you your purpose, he gives you the plan to fulfill it.
Yes.
It's only after you start fulfilling and executing that plan that he makes the 4th P, which is the provision.
Come on now. Yes.
God not going to give you all this, the plan, the purpose, without, and he's not going to give you the provision unless you start walking in it.
That's good.
Many of those God has revealed things to us,
yes,
but we're still sitting still.
That's right.
It's why you walk by faith, not sit still.
That's right.
Not stand still. So after we start walking by faith, we get the provision, and then it leads to the prosperity.
Yes. Yes.
And that's the plan. But it starts with seeking God's heart.
Yes.
The love, seeking his love. Because you go into his love, you get the entire house.
Oh, that's so good.
All right. I hope you enjoyed that video. I really hope it blessed your life. I just want to just share what God has shared with me about his plan, his purpose, his will for our life. It's truly a wonderful life. But like I say, it's something that we have to work towards. So if you've liked the video and you're looking forward to hearing more, the series, I'm going with your tailored word. So if you got any questions, comments about something you would like to hear or like me to teach about in the Word of God, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, as well as put any comments in the bottom of the comment section. And I'll be sure to get back to you. All right. Look forward to communicating with you again, and God bless. Be safe.